Hello students, we are going to discuss about spray chamber. This is one of the humidification equipment. First one, spray humidifier. Spray humidifier, another name is the air washer. It can be used for either humidification or dehumidification. This type of humidifier consists of a chamber containing spray nozzle system, recirculating water pump, collection tank, etc. Air passes through the chamber. It comes into contact with the water spray from the nozzle, resulting in heat transfer between air and water. So the result in either humidification or dehumidification depending on the relative temperature of the sprayed water and the air passing through the chamber are clear. Okay. Dehumidification occurs when the temperature of the water is lower than the dew point of the air. Humidification occurs when it is higher. Figure 11.3 shows that water spray on heating coil. Some spray humidifier, the water is sprayed on heating coil through which steam or hot water is passed. The heat causes the water to evaporate and thereby increase the moisture content of the air. Figure 11.4 shows that atomizing humidifier. So this is a form of spray humidifier that uses compressed air to reduce the water particle to a fine mist. The mist is converted to a vapor which is absorbed by the drier room air. Next one, ultrasonic humidifier. It is also a spray type humidifier. Principal component of ultrasonic humidifier are a high frequency power oscillator that drive a piezo transducer, small blower, float switch and a water tank or reservoir. The purpose of piezo transducer create a wave on the surface of the water in the tank. Float switch is used to sense and maintain the proper level of water in the tank. These humidifiers use high frequency vibration to break the water droplet down into a fine mist. The mist is blown into the room by the small blower. So this is the ultrasonic humidifier. Advantages of a spray chamber: simple performance, insensitive for fluctuating gas flow, pressure drop is low, require little place. Limitations of spray chamber. First one, performance with spray nozzle with small opening require a clean wash fluid. Second one, efficiency is lesser for the disposal of fine dust particles. Thank you for your attention.